Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Jeep Wrangler battery. First, gather your essential tools, such as a wrench and a battery terminal cleaner. Always make sure your Jeep Wrangler is completely turned off and parked on a level surface for safety. Remember to wear protective gear, including gloves and eye protection, to prevent any accidents during the process. Safety is paramount when working with vehicle batteries. Now let's disconnect the old battery. You'll usually find the battery located under the hood of your Jeep Wrangler. Using your wrench, disconnect the negative terminal first, which is often marked with a minus sign. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. Finally, carefully remove any battery hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. First, take a moment to thoroughly clean the battery tray and the new battery terminals to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery securely into the cleaned battery tray. When connecting, always attach the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, to prevent electrical shorts. You're almost done. Secure the new battery firmly in place using its hold-down clamp or strap. This prevents movement and potential damage. Next, apply a small amount of anti-corrosion grease to both battery terminals to protect them from rust and ensure a long-lasting connection. Finally, start your Jeep Wrangler to confirm that the new battery is properly installed and functioning correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.